Hi, today's star of the shave is Hoffman's Evil Pumpkin 2. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today we're going to do the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today's star of the shave is Hoffman's Evil Pumpkin 2. I'm also using the RazoRock Goat Razor, which is a homage to the 34C, Merkur 34C. But this is stainless steel, and instead of a 2-piece, it's a 3-piece. And I'm using it with some Alysworth blades. I'm using Tatara Masamune synthetic brush handle. Yeah, the knot, not the handle, the knot, silly. Yeah, and of course my trusty TRC lather bowl. Oh man, I'm a big fan of gourmands, and Hoffman soap makes some great gourmands, and Evil Pumpkin 1 was great. I'm looking forward to try Evil Pumpkin 2. Let's wet it up and lather up. Yeah. Oh man. I love pumpkin scents. Pumpkin coffee, biscotti, almonds, chocolate. Yeah. Basically gourmand. I said it, but I had to explain it. Oh man. First time using Evil Pumpkin 2. Been looking forward to using this all this time. I'm glad there's a sequel to 1. 1 was the banger. Let's see how 2 is. It smells like smells like pumpkin pie, but with the crust. I'm getting pumpkin spice, cinnamon, nutmeg. Oh man, it reminds me of my mom's pumpkin pie. When she makes it for me, she doesn't put that much sugar in it because I don't like sweet pumpkin pie. I'm more of a spicy, natural tasting pie. You know, to each his own. Let's see. Yep, that nice thin layer that protects skin from face and razor. Oh. I'm picturing my mom's pumpkin pie with some coffee. Oh. Beautiful combination with the razor and the blade. Ooh. I love my setup. What's your favorite part of the shave? Is it the actual shave? Is it the post-shave? Or is it putting together your shave of the day lineup? Let me know in the comments, please. Oh, man. Yep. This is another banger. Great job, Robert. He's at Hoffman's. Oh, man. I love this soap base. There's so many great soaps out there and so little time to try them. You know, it's like we're living in the golden age of traditional wet shaving. Let me go for my second pass. You know me, I'm consistently consistent on not talking under my neck. So if I'm a little quiet, you know, maybe that'll give you some time to think of questions to put down in the comments. Oh, the razor I'm using is with the original standard plate. I didn't get the plus plate for the goat from RazoRock yet. This is bringing back memories of just eating a nice warm or cold pumpkin pie. It's funny how smells can take you to another world, another dimension. The senses, you know, I think smelling the scent of smell is one of the most powerful ones. You know, we all overlook sight and sound, but I think smelling doesn't get enough love. And this is making me feel like my mom just made 2 or 3 pies for me. You know, usually for Thanksgiving, and then, you know, my birthday in December. And I'm happy. Brings warm joy and thoughts. Let me go for my third pass. Oh, I forgot my typical bougie sprayer. Thank you, Wet Shaving family. They got me hooked on this. Oh, man. I definitely got some lather. I'm not going to be cheap with this last pass. Oh, man, I can't help inhaling the beautiful nectar of this smell. It's, oh, man, pumpkin pie. Yes, I did take a taste of the lather before. I'm trying not to do that on the camera. And at first it's like a cologne-y taste. But then after a while you get to taste like the pumpkin in the crust. But you know, lathering, soap lather is for shaving. It's not for tasting or snacking. But you know me, I go by my rules. I go against the grain. Yeah. Which ironically is my third pass. Let's do this. This whole lineup has been a winner. I love picking out winning lineups. How about you in the comments below? Let me know what you think about your lineups. And what's your scent profile? Well, what's a scent that brings you good memories? You know, for me as gourmand, what about you? Wow. Beautiful combo of razor and blade. The synergy of oneness. I'm good. Hey, let me clean up now. I'm really good. This was a great shave. I can't wait to try the splash. This time I remembered my wipes in front of the camera. Yeah. Ah. Smooth. BBS shave. One more. Want to make sure I get all the residue off. Oh. Another banger of a soap. Let me shake. Oh, my earpiece almost popped out. Oh, man. You get more pumpkin in the splash. My personal opinion. Remember, we all have a different scent profile. Ah. Beautiful. Well, let me go back to my lineup. I used the RazoRock, the GOAT razor with the original plating / standard and a Alysworth blade. A Tatara Masamune brush handle synthetic, the knot. And of course my famous TRC ladder ball. Big fan of them. And of course, the star of the shave is Hoffman's Evil Pumpkin 2. On Saturday, 9 a.m., go to Instagram, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to Instagram and look up the Razor Company Live. You get to see 4 great people talk about wet shaving and wet shaving products and have a great time. And for all your wet shaving and hygienic needs, go to therazorcompany.com. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.